Hi guys, here's a video for the grade 11. Grade 11s are currently dealing with vectors, and there'll be vectors in two dimensionals. You see, there'll be vectors in two dimension. Okay guys, so in your calculator you're having these buttons, pole and rec. Everyone was wondering, what is the usage of those buttons? Well, I'm glad we have our calculator and we're doing grade 11. So for grade 11s, these buttons will be most useful. I didn't use them in grade 12, but I think they're applicable in your forces in 2D. You see, I think they are applicable. You see, so guys, when you see the word pole, I don't even know what are their full names. You see the full names, but I used to call this rectangle. You see, a rectangle. Why did I use the rectangle word? The rectangle word would remind me that the angle is on rec. You see, the angle is on rec. You see, pole is just x and y. Let's say, for instance, you're having 4 newtons upwards and then 3 newtons to the right. You see guys, you're having 4 newtons upwards and then you're having 3 newtons to the right. You see, remember, I'm teaching calculator tips, not physical sciences. Okay guys, so if you are required to find the resultant force, you see, you are in the direction of an angle. You see, you can just say, okay, fine, I will calculate that. You know your SOHCAHTOA, right? You will use that method. They say the rectangle method. You see, the rectangle method, whereby even on this side still 4 and on the side 2 it's 3. You see, so here is your resultant force. You see, this one is your resultant force. So it means that if I can pick up this triangle, I see here is my theta. You see, so it's opposite over adjacent, is it? TOA, adjacent over TOA. It's opposite over adjacent. So use your tan to find the angle. You see, but before you do that, you can just ask Mr. Calculator to assist you with that. You see, so you can just say, oh, Paul, Mr. Paul, come and assist me. So Mr. Paul is yellow, so use shift. Mr. Paul, x is to y, your x is 3, your y is 4. 3. So we're going to use this comma in the close bracket, shift, close brackets, and then you're going to say 4, and close the brackets. 2. Then Mr. Paul will tell you that your radius, that is your resultant force, is 5, and your theta is 53,13. So if you were using your tan, you would have said tan theta is equal to, opposite will be 4 over 3, and then arctan will be equal to, theta will be equal to arctan of 4 over 3, and then if you press that 2, boom, same results. Calculator tips. Your calculator will assist you to not lose a mark. Don't lose a mark with your calculator by your side.